This is my scooter. Come from the top, we have invert original bars with ODI long legs and ODI bars. Coming down, we have the clamp, a Razor X Pro original clamp with a Razor X Pro headset. Well, it's not very good because it wobbles. And we have Razor X Pro forks with flavour wheels with a JD Bug bolt with enough AWIC 9s. The deck is a very, very, very bad deck. Razor X Pro reinforced. No, I was joking, it's very good. With a flavour sticker. Was like my good luck charm. Yeah. And on the top of it, there's this sticky stuff called grip tape. And it's very good because it helps me tell it. And it's coming down to the brake. It's the same, brake. And on the back, it's the same, a flavour wheel with enough bearings. Yes. Now I'm going to just like do a whip flat in the tiny space. And that didn't sound very tough. Might sound very healthy. Very bouncy though. Right, this is my other scooter. This is my JD Bug.
Not your sister's JD Bug.
No, this is my JD Bug. And got some funny foam grips with pink lace and JD Bug bars and more pink and black places with a JD Bug single clamp. Yes, with a JD Bug headset, JD Bug deck, JD Bug forks, JD Bug wheels with
Just say it's a crap JD Bug.
It's well good. With really good bearings, look at them go. And
Oh, sexy deck.
very good deck. With same good JD Bug brake, JD Bug back wheel, very good bearings. Yes. That's my BMX. It's not very good. That's my friend Jack's. This is the BMX I'm spraying at the moment. I don't want to pick it up in case I drop it. It's very, very sexy.
Nice colour.
Metallic, and these are the bars for it. Metallic purple. What else is there? Oh. This is a wheel. Chrome. This is another wheel. And these are mag wheels. And that's what it's for there.
Not very nice.
And what else is that? Scooter.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. There is another JD Bug deck. Very good. Very good. Right. Headset with very good forks. Or I can bend with my own hand. Yes, very good, very good. Alright, that's my scooter and bike and spare stuff sesh.